Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's 4:30 p.m. and I just started a Grubhub shift. I do have a block for 3.5 hours tonight. And first order is for the sushi house. And it's a pretty good order. It's for $17.22. So, I don't know, here's day 2 of me being a premier driver with Grubhub. And the first order I get is a good one. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it stays busy tonight. It's just starting to rain, so I don't know what that's going to do. It does suck delivering in the rain, but usually the pay is a little higher, so that's nice. I'll keep you updated on how things go. Yo, Premier Driver is where it's at. So I dropped off that last order, and then about 5 minutes go by, I get another order through Grubhub for Nico Sushi. And I just so happened to get a $26 order. And it took me about 20 minutes to get here because of traffic, so I'm going to run in and grab it. But I really think Premier is where you make your money. I just grabbed an order for Atomic Ale and Brewery right next door. Man, they are super busy tonight. I parked in the place next door, said it's for this Mandarin Chinese food only, but
in 900 feet,
I was just picking up a Grubhub order. I was in there less than 5 minutes. It happens. But things are staying busy. I'm getting good orders, which is awesome. I'm 12 minutes away from this drop-off, so it's a little farther than I'd like, but it's all good. I do truly think on day 2 that Premier is the way to go. So if you're out there delivering Grubhub, you're rejecting the offers, take the heat until you become a Premier driver, and it will be worth it. I just arrived at Taco Bell to pick up my 4th order of the night. Things are seriously busy right now, and it's a Wednesday, which I never had luck like this on a Wednesday before. Maybe here and there I would do okay, but I mean, in 2 hours, I'm on my 4th order, and these have all been pretty high-paying orders. I'll show you at the end of the night, so stay tuned. I'm going to go through each delivery and show you specifically how much I made. But things are looking good. Premier is where it's at, I'm telling you. If you're not there, you got to try it out. So that was a bit weird. What happened was I ended up getting a call from Grubhub on my way to drop it off for Taco Bell. They said, hey, look, your order's been canceled. You already picked up the food. It's yours to keep. Drive by the house, mark it as delivered, and you're good. I'm like, okay, cool. I drive by and mark it as delivered. And then I get a call from what looks like another Grubhub order, and it was the customer like, yeah, I was told that it was canceled. Like, that's what Grubhub told me to do. I'm not going to deliver it. And he's like, well, yeah, I know, Grubhub's stupid. I used to work for them. And I canceled it because they, what's it called? They did a Taco Bell 15 minutes away, but there was one that was closer, 4 minutes away, so I just canceled the order because I didn't want to have cold food. And I'm like, yeah, I understand that. He's like, look, it's your food. That's Grubhub's policy. If you want, I have $7 cash. I'll tip you that extra. And I kept the food. It's a lot of food. I'm probably not going to eat it all, but honestly, I feel like that's just a little sketchy. Because with him canceling the order, I'm assuming he's going to get refunded for that. So, I don't know. That seems a little bit sketchy to me. So, I kept the food. I'm probably not going to eat it all, but I'm going to drop some off to my mother-in-law. At least that's the plan. We'll see what happens. I'm about to eat some Taco Bell while I wait for my next order. I just got to Taco Bell for another order with Grubhub. This is what's left of the food. A bunch of tacos and stuff. I ended up giving the nacho party pack to one of my buddies. I realized I was about 5 minutes from his house, so I went and dropped it off. He said he'd gladly take it. But this is what I got for free tonight. If you could see this, nacho party pack 1, 3 chipotle cheddar something. I don't know what that is. 3 shredded chicken melts. 4 beefy crunchy taco without cheese. Oh, that chipotle cheddar, that's the stacker thing. So what is that? 10 tacos in a nacho party pack? That's crazy. First time that's ever happened to me. I'm super excited about it. I don't know, based off what I told you, do you think the guy was being sketchy? Would you have kept the food too? Let me know in the comments. I think he was being sketchy, but maybe that's just me. Things are still pretty busy. It's 7:53 p.m. and I just got to Yogurt Beach right over there. I don't know, it's been steady. Like I said, ever since I became Premier, I get better offers and it seems like more frequent offers, so that's awesome. This one was a relatively low order and it was actually taking a little while for this order. It did die down a little bit. I was debating heading home and then this popped up, so I went and grabbed it. I'm probably going to end earlier tonight than normal just because it was busy and it seems
You've
like
arrived at your destination.
Seems like things are starting to die down, but we'll see what happens. Maybe it will pick back up. I'm going to go grab this food and stay tuned for the rest of the night. What's up, everybody? It's 8:20 and I just got home from delivering tonight. I ended up ending my shift a little bit early after my last drop-off because my wife called me with a little family emergency type of thing. Everything is okay, thank God. But I just came home early because I didn't know what was going on at that point in time. So I dropped off that yogurt order, turned off that I was accepting offers, started heading home. And then I got in touch with my wife and she said everything was good, but I already decided that I was going to call tonight. So I'm done. I ended up working 3.5 hours tonight, roughly, since that, I don't know, it might have been like 3 hours, 35 minutes, something like that. And I made $83.65. I managed to also get what, like $30 in Taco Bell, so that's awesome. The night's kind of interesting. It started off with some really good orders. You see Sushi House 17, Nico Japanese 26, Atomic Ale 13, Taco Bell 10. That is the Taco Bell that I got paid or got the free food from. Taco Bell rejected. That was a $4 order. No thank you. Taco Bell $9, Yogurt Beach $8.05. So it's interesting because it started off with these really nice big orders and then they started to get less pay as the night went on. But I'm assuming that's just because it's the middle of the week, it's a Wednesday, not a lot of people are ordering food right now. And I did get the priority when it was the busy dinner hour going on. That's my guess, at least. So, like I said, I'm going to call it a wraps. And I don't know, we'll see. I mean, things are looking busy. I'm excited for the Super Bowl weekend coming up. I'll be working a lot. Hopefully I can make a lot of money with Grubhub. I have a lot of blocks scheduled. Please let me know in the comments, again, if you would have kept the Taco Bell food or dealt with the customer directly. I think that was sketchy, so I kept the food. And then also let me know who you're rooting for the Super Bowl. I really think that the Niners will take it, but we'll see what happens. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.